Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR or zip file unpacking or packing app on your Xiaomi Poco F4 GT. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, search for an app and write RAR. Click the search button and select this app. Now we can install it. And after installation process is complete, we'll be able to open it. We'll need to grant it all file access, so here click on the RAR and allow access to manage all files. Now if we go back and dismiss this notification, our app will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.